Take off the cap. Keep the pipe low in the bowl so you get the maximum draining effect, siphon effect. That's it. Now let's put the cap straight back in. Don't want to forget that when we put it all back together. Let's get the hose put away, so the cap's back on. There's still going to be some water, so I'm going to use the tray. There's still some water coming out. It's inevitable. That's it, that's coming out now. There you are. And there it is. That's what I've been looking for. This is the end of my belt. We'll clean that out though.